Hi, welcome back to Glow Up with Shelly. In today's video, I'm going to talk about all of my anti-aging supplements that I use to help support my skin, my body, and my aging health. Remember, as we get older, certain nutrients actually lower in our bodies, and it's important to use supplements to kind of help support getting these nutrients, because we can't always get all of the nutrients we need from our food. Even though the best sources, of course, are food sources, there are supplements that are important to start taking as we're getting older. And so today I'm going to share with you all of the supplements I take, how I take them, what I take them with, because that matters, believe it or not. All of these things matter. How you take a vitamin, what you take it with, what time of day you take it. So important. I'm gonna go over all of that. So stay tuned. Remember, this channel is all about glowing up, transformative skincare, flawless makeup, and a lifestyle to match. If that resonates with you, hit subscribe. Don't forget to ring the notification bell. I want you to know when I post future videos. Also, if you like this video, smash that like button, because I really appreciate your viewership. Okay, let's get started. So these are all the supplements that I take in a single day, and supplements are super important. You want to try to get as many nutrients as you can from your diet, but certain nutrients begin to decline as we age. Also, our modern diets don't always include the kind of nutrients that we necessarily need, because modern processed foods are really stripped of a lot of these nutrients. Now, that doesn't mean that you can't, eat healthy. I really do try to eat lots of leafy greens, microgreens. I eat regular greens. I eat lots of fruits and vegetables, lean meats, things like that. But I don't always get everything I need from my diet. And I know that, I'm aware of that. As we age, certain nutrients are depleted in our body. And one of the only ways to get these nutrients back in is through supplementation. So we're just not getting the kinds and quality of nutrients that we need in a day. So it's good to supplement. So how do I supplement? Well, I'm gonna go through what I take and when I take it. So I'm gonna kind of go through my day, so to speak. So I wake up in the morning, it's 4:50 a.m. I get up and I have the first thing first. I have a full glass of water. Okay, you have just dehydrated yourself all night long. Remember, your cells thrive on water, right? So the first thing I do is I hydrate myself by having a full glass of water. That's, I think, 16 ounces of water. It's a glass like this. Usually without the ice though. I just drink the water like, basically it's kind of like room temperature water, a little cool, but not super cool. I just want to make sure that I'm getting hydrated quickly. So I drink my full glass of water. I can tell you this, I feel immediately better. I can feel it like just getting into my cells. So I have that full glass of water, and then I go down to my workout room and we complete about a 30 to 45 minute workout. And usually what I do is I do a little bit of cardio. I do fast walking. Most of my cardio is walking. I used to be a runner, but I really prefer walking as I get older. I really think it's an amazing cardiovascular exercise. I just love it. So I do about 30 minutes of walking, and then I'll follow with about 25 minutes of muscle work, either arms or legs and buttocks. That's really what I try to focus on a lot. So I do that, and then I come back upstairs, and what's the first thing that I do? I have my collagen shake. This is my first supplement that I take, and I take the Vital Proteins Collagen Peptide. It has 20 grams of grass-fed collagen, no sugar. It supports skin, hair, and nail plus joint support. And I get the chocolate kind. This is so delicious. So I put 2 scoops of this in almond milk or oat milk. And then I put 1 scoop of my Beyond Greens Energy Detox and Immunity Mix by Life Conscious. This is a greens mix, and this actually contains more than just greens. So it also contains things like milk thistle, which are really good for your body. It also contains mushroom extracts, like tons of different mushroom extracts. It contains chlorella from cell wall algae, which is like really good for your body, and it's like a full protein. It contains all the amino acids. It also contains Echinacea. It contains lactospore, which is a probiotic. It contains several different kinds of probiotics, cinnamon bark and rhodiola root, which all of these things are great for detoxing the body, for helping with immunity, helping with your energy. So this is a really excellent greens supplement, and it's more than just greens. Like I said, it's also all of these other things mixed in with the greens, the mushroom roots and all of the other kinds of greens that you usually don't get. So I mix this, 2 scoops of this with a scoop of this, and then I mix that with my oat milk or my almond milk, and I shake that up and I put in a scoop of all natural peanut butter. Now, I use the peanut butter with no sugar added and no oil added, so it doesn't have the extra palm oil. It's literally just the peanuts ground up, and I'll take a scoop of that and put it in there. Why do I do that? Well, I do that for healthy fat, because when you are supplementing, when you're taking your supplements in the morning, you wanna have them with some kind of healthy fat. So I take those and I drink that protein shake down. What do I take with my protein shake? Well, the first thing I take is my Wonderfeel Activated NMN Youngr. And this is 60 capsules, kind of a pricier supplement, but it is, I want to show you this because these are so, NMN is so popular right now. So what does NMN do? This has been very well researched. So what NMN does is it is basically nicotinamide. It also contains trans-resveratrol. Both of those are super, super important for your body to function. This one also has a mushroom extract and then olive fruit extract as well to kind of help support the potency of this. Basically, you have a molecule in your body called NAD, and NAD is important for your youth. Okay, it helps stave off mitochondrial damage, DNA damage. It's a molecule that we have in abundance when we are young, when we're in our 20s. And as we grow older, our NAD quickly declines. And I believe by the age of 40, we have half as much NMN in our body as we used to when we were in our 20s. And of course, that quickly declines as you get into your 60s as well. So NMN is super important for creating NAD in your body. And I want to read to you a little bit from an article that I found on the National Institutes of Health website. It says that aging is marked by epigenetic shifts, genomic instability, altered nutrient sensing ability, telomere attrition, that's when your telomeres get shorter, mitochondrial dysfunction, cellular senescence, and stem cell exhaustion, as well as dysregulated intracellular communication. So NAD itself, numerous studies have demonstrated that boosting NAD levels increases insulin sensitivity, reverses mitochondrial dysfunction, so this helps with that. It extends lifespan. So NAD levels can be increased by activating enzymes that stimulate synthesis of NAD, by inhibiting the enzyme CD38 that degrades NAD, and by supplementing with NAD precursors, including nicotinamide riboside, which is NR, and nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN. Basically, they've also found that when you combine NMN with resveratrol, it's supposed to help really boost up that NAD in your body. It helps stave off all of that cellular damage. It helps increase the length of your telomeres. I mean, this is basically kind of like a supplement that helps turn back time. This is a pricier supplement. Collagen, I think for the collagen peptides that I take, it's like $26. This Beyond Greens is like $25, $26 as well. This, on the other hand, for 60 capsules, which is a whole month's supply, it's $78. So this is a little bit more expensive. If you're not taking NMN though, I mean, I don't know. This one has a ton of scientific research behind it, and it's one of the main reasons why I started taking this. I am giving this a 60-day review. My fiance and I both bought this supplement, and we're in the middle of our 60-day review of it. So I'm super excited. I will report to you anything that happens on those 60 days with this NMN that's supposed to help with NAD production in my body. So that is amazing. It's supposed to be the fountain of youth. It's supposed to help promote tighter skin, like firmer, tighter skin, more youthful looking skin. It's supposed to increase collagen production. This is all just for your skin, by the way. For your body, it's supposed to help, you know, stop DNA damage, which also helps with your skin, by the way, because you get DNA damage on your skin all day long. It's supposed to help with making those necessary repairs, cleaning out the free radicals. NAD has a ton of anti-aging benefits, and it's supposed to help with cell function, blood function, all of those functions that make up the synergy of your body, so to speak. If it works the way it says, this should be a powerhouse for your body. So I take that right after my collagen shake with water, and then I supplement with my Liposomal D3 plus K2. And K2 is supposed to help with your skin health, like your overall skin health. And it's supposed to help boost collagen, increase elastin, increase the youthfulness of your skin. And so I definitely supplement. D3 is amazing for your skin. So even though I do have D3 and other supplementations, I still take a separate D3 as well with my K2. And I take that after my collagen shake as well. And then I take my turmeric curcumin. This is by BioSchwartz, and it's with bioperine. And bioperine, sorry. Bioperine is like the ingredient found in black pepper. It's supposed to help you absorb the turmeric better. Turmeric is amazing for your skin. It helps support your skin function, health. It's supposed to help with reducing inflammation, things like that in your body, as well as your skin. It's supposed to help with collagen production, and it is also supposed to help with elasticity of your skin as well. So this is an excellent supplement to be taking. I highly recommend, if you do take turmeric, make sure you get the turmeric with curcumin and that you have the pippin, the black pepper in it, because that's going to help your body absorb it better. So I take that as well. And then I also take my Megared, my omega-3s with fish oil. This is made with krill as well as other kinds of fish oil. I think it has EPA and DHA as well. Now, I take this now. I used to take my Heights vitamin. This was my multivitamin. I'm on the hunt for a new multivitamin. I've been supplementing with just taking like the D3 and the fish oil instead of taking my Heights. I wasn't really happy. This didn't have K2 in it, and I know how important it is when you're supplementing with D3 to get K2. So that was the reason why I kind of let this fall by the wayside. I still need one that has vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, all of those other vitamins in it. So I'm looking for a good multivitamin. Let me know if you guys have a good multivitamin that you can share with me, because yeah, I would love to take a multivitamin that doesn't necessarily have D3 in it so that I can take my separate supplement. So that is an issue, but this also had the omegas. It had a lot of really good stuff. If you want to get rid of a couple of steps, you could easily just take a good multivitamin like Heights. The vitamin was really good. I loved it. Like I said, I just really wanted that K2 in there, so I stopped taking this. I will be on the lookout for it, and I will let you know what I find and what I replace it with. So that's what I do in the morning. So that's my morning. I've just taken all my supplements. I get ready for work, put my makeup on, do my hairs. Oh, and then I also, when I'm taking all of that, I also take my slow release iron. Now I have anemia really bad, so I have to take iron every day. So I take an additional iron, but that's something that you only do if you're anemic. Don't take extra iron if you're not. Your body might not need it. Okay, so then I go get ready, blah, 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 blah. I'm getting ready. And then at lunchtime, what do I take at lunchtime? I take so I eat my lunch. I try to eat something fairly healthy. It has a little bit of fat. It has a little bit of protein. It has a little bit of vegetables. And I take my CoQ10 with black pepper extract. But CoQ10 is something that supports your heart function as well as your skin function. This helps with all cellular functions in your body, and you lose CoQ10 as you age. So it's super important to be supplementing with CoQ10. And you want to do this at lunchtime. You don't need to take it in the morning with all these other things. Your body absorbs it better with lunch, with like a regular, stable, balanced meal. So that is when I take that. And then what's the final thing I take? So after my food is digested at dinner time, then I go in with my magnesium citrate. Okay, it's important for heart function, for cellular function to take magnesium. Take this a couple of hours before bed on an empty stomach. So you want the acids in your stomach that will help you absorb that magnesium more. Magnesium is a mineral, so it absorbs a little bit differently than your other vitamins that might need like a fat or a water in order to absorb it. The other thing that I take also, I'm gonna put it up here, is fulvic acid. I'm out right now, but that is a mineral that we don't get anymore in our food. Also, our soils are depleted of certain acids and minerals, and the fulvic acid that I take is trace minerals fulvic acid, and it also contains chlorella as well as some other minerals, including a little bit of magnesium to help you absorb that better. Guys, be doing some mineral supplementation. If you don't at least take minerals, then use Himalayan pink salt on your food or something that has those minerals in them, because you really want to put the minerals back in your body. We don't get a lot of minerals because we don't eat our vegetables the way people used to eat them. A lot of times people will peel their carrots. Guys, that's where the minerals are. People will peel their potatoes. That's where the minerals are. We need these minerals and nutrients in our body. So definitely supplement with minerals as well, like magnesium, like zinc, like fulvic acid. Fulvic acid is a big one because fulvic acid is an antioxidant that helps also stave off inflammation. You don't want to take too much. It can have some pretty serious side effects if you overdo it, but taking a little bit. So there you have it. These are all the supplements I take. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know, what supplements do you take to help support your skin and your body health as you go into middle age, because when you're in your 40s, right, things are a little bit different. You're not as energetic as you used to be. And so how do you support that? I'll see you next time on Globe with Shelly.